Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, we're talking about the reason why each time you are trying to backtest on your TradingView, then the backtesting will not take place. Do you understand? First of all, this is the button for backtesting, this place where they wrote to replay. If you click on replay, then you can see this scissors button, that this scissors and this vertical line that is there that will help you to choose the place where you want to start backtesting. So there are some period whereby if you are trying to place this particular replay button so that this vertical line will start the backtesting, then your TradingView will not allow it. The reason is very simple. In TradingView, first of all, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Do you understand? Because sometimes if you're having a lag internet connection, then it can be one of the reasons. And again, at TradingView, if you are in 15 minutes time frame, like any time frame that is below 4 hours, if you are trying to backtest, it will not go through. You can see, if you place it here, like I want to start backtesting here, then it will say test your strategy with an intraday bar replace. Like, for you to backtest in any time frame below 4 hours, if you are below daily time frame, you're expected to go for the premium package. You understand? That's one of the reasons. You can check it out for 7-day free trial. So if you check it out and you need TradingView, the premium version, for you to analyze your charts for backtesting, you can check it out. For backtesting to work on the free version, then you need to go down to daily time frame, down. From daily time frame down. Let's check 4-hour time frame. Let's check if 4-hour time frame can backtest. It cannot backtest. So it's from daily time frame. That's when you can start backtesting. From daily time frame, monthly, weekly, down. That's when you can start backtesting on TradingView on free version. So most of the reason why some people are not backtesting is because they are on free version, and sometimes their internet connection is very poor. I get me. So fix it and then start connecting, and that's it, guys. So this is the main reason why your backtesting is not working. And if you find this very helpful, don't forget to drop a like for us and subscribe to this particular channel. If you are still looking for a broker to trade with, I would recommend the broker because that's the one I'm trading with. They have a very tight spread, quick deposit and quick withdrawal. So you can check out the broker in the description of this particular video.